More than 200 persons were honored today in the annual National Honors and Awards investiture at King's House. TVJ's Janella Pursues has the highlights.
Lance Corporal Ricardo Dane Antonio Bennett.
Petrona Bennett stands nervously as details of the circumstances which led to her husband's demise are read. Lance Corporal Ricardo Bennett foiled a robbery at a barbershop in Crossroads. He lost his life in a shootout with the gunmen. That was in September 2016. He was hailed a hero then as several lives were spared. On Monday, his wife received a National Medal of Honor for Gallantry JDF posthumous award. Lance Corporal Ferdinand French lived to tell his tale, also a recipient of the Medal of Honor for Gallantry JDF. He saved a man who fell down a precipice along the Junction Main Road in St. Mary in August 2011. They were among 215 people who were recognized at the National Honors and Awards investiture at King's House. The ceremony took on a new look. Attendees were protected from the usual scorching heat of the sun, and in Monday's case, the rain. For the first time, it was held under a tent. Among the awardees in the Order of Jamaica class were Dr. Julius Garvey, son of Jamaica's first national hero Marcus Garvey; Mike Henry for 40 years public service and political representation; Robert Pickersgill for public service and political representation; and Rita Marley for popularization of Jamaican music. And perhaps a fitting tribute to his mother, Stephen Marley performed a rendition of her hit tune, Harambe.
Me say Harambe, you hear what I say, Harambe, say Harambe.
Other persons in the entertainment and arts field who were recognized included Sean Paul and Professor Clinton Horton, both receiving the Order of Distinction Commander Class; Glenn Titus Campbell, Anthony Tony Wilson, and Patrick Roberts all received the Order of Distinction Officer Class. DCP Clifford Blake and Commodore Antoinette Gorman received the Order of Distinction Award for outstanding service to the JCF and JDF respectively. Janella Pursues, TVJ News.